Okay, guys, you need to go ahead and put your name at the top of your packet. If you need to press pause while you do that, that's fine, okay? All right, so we are going to see how many people like running. So we see that one person, one purple, one person likes running. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people like jumping jacks. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people like doing push-ups, okay? So let's go ahead and let's count how many people were surveyed in all. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 people were surveyed in all. So you should have 1, 6, 4, and 11. Go ahead and open up your packet. You should be at the top right here where it says See and Show. All right, so we're going to look at this bar graph as we answer these questions, okay? So how many people like Friday as the day of the week? So we're going to count the purple squares. 1, 2, 3. 3 people like Friday, and how many people like Saturday? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people like Saturday, and 1, 2. 2 people like Sunday. So that is up there for you guys, okay? All right, we're going to come down here, and it says how many people chose Sunday? So here's Sunday. How many people chose Sunday? We know that 2 people chose Sunday. I'll put a number 2 on the first line. Then it says how many people chose Friday and Saturday? So we got to count them together, Friday and Saturday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people like Friday and Saturday. 8 all together on the second line. Which day has one less vote than Friday? So here's Friday. Which one has one less vote than Friday? Sunday. 1, 2. Sunday does. So we're going to write the word Sunday the best we can. You can go ahead and pause this video if you need to copy what I wrote. Okay. All right. Which day has 2 more votes than Friday? Which day has 2 more votes than Friday? We see that Saturday has 2 more votes than Friday. So we're going to write Saturday on the line. The best we can. Pausing it if we need to. Saturday on that line, okay? Now I'm on number 5. It says how many people were surveyed? So we're going to count all of the boxes that are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 people were surveyed in all. So we're going to come down here to the last one for number 10, for number 5, excuse me, and we're going to write number 10. Okay? All right, we're going to go to the next page. And this is the part where I have you guys do on your own. So I will read the questions and you will answer them, okay? So number 6 says, how many people chose turkey? So here is turkey right here in the orange. You need to count the orange squares. How many orange squares are there? And you're going to put that number on the line right there. Number 7 says, how many more people chose peanut butter than turkey? So here's peanut butter and here's turkey. So you need to start counting right here at this one right here, and you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And put that on the line for number 7. I kind of helped you with that one, okay? It says on number 8, it says, did more people choose ham or turkey? Did more people choose ham or turkey? So ham is the green and turkey is the orange. So if you think more people chose ham, you're going to write the word ham on number 8. And if you think more people chose turkey, you're going to write turkey on number 8. All right, number 9 says, which kind of sandwich is liked better than ham? Which kind of sandwich is liked better than ham? So here's ham, here's turkey, here's peanut butter. Which one do we think people liked more than ham? Which one has more votes than ham? You're going to write that answer on number 9. Then it says, did fewer people choose peanut butter or turkey? So here's peanut butter, here's turkey. Which one has a fewer amount of votes? You're going to write your answer on number 10 on the line. Is it peanut butter or turkey that has a smaller amount of votes? And then number 11 says how many people were surveyed. So you're going to count all of the squares that are colored, and you're going to put that big number on the line for number 11, okay? All right. We're going to turn to the back of our packet now. Not our homework, just the back, and it should look like mine. So go ahead and find that page, and we'll do this one together, this last question together. It says a class made a bar graph about what color of pencils they used. Which pencil color got less votes than green? So here is yellow, and here is green, and here is blue. We can see from this that blue got less votes than green, right? So because blue has 1, 2, 3, 4, and green has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write the word blue on this line. Blue. All right. And then down here, we're going to draw an X because we usually don't do this one. X at the bottom. When you have all of that finished, bring it up to me so I can check it, and then it goes in your mailbox and you get on iReady Math, okay? As always, if you're watching this and I'm going too fast, pause it and go back, okay? That's what's nice about the video is if I'm going too fast or you're having trouble writing something, just take the time and pause it and then come back to it when you're ready. Okay, guys, that's it.